Hello, future entrepreneurs. Remain back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Today we made it to day number 177 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And I'm back here with another video, guys, just to show you that we are using one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started versus where we are right now. So we finally made it to day number 177. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day that you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay, now what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have with the system. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts, okay, whenever you are using their service. Okay, so you can get as many as, as little as one and as much as 50 if you want it. Okay. So the whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple accounts and get multiple subscribers in your back office every single day. Okay. Now, a little bit about myself and My Lead Gen Secrets. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I can tell you I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. Now, the only thing about this traffic, guys, it is cold traffic. So these people have no idea who you are. It does take some time for them to get warmed up to you. But if you get the right offer, the right email, and send that out, and you keep sending that out for a certain time period, you will start to see progress in what you're doing. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. My Lead Gen Secret. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. You're not going to be able to come in and send out an email and then, make thousands of dollars next week. Okay. It just doesn't work like that. This is a real business. This is real traffic. Okay. And these are real results. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys just a little bit around the back office. This is what your back office is going to look like if you guys decide to join. Everything is going to look the same, identical. The only thing that's going to be different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I'm sending out, obviously, since we're moving on the different days. So there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secret. Number one is promoting My Lead Gen Secret itself. You can literally come in here, guys, and promote the My Lead Gen Secret platform. Use your affiliate link right here and insert that inside of your email when you send that out. Okay. Now, what happens is the traffic will see that email that you wrote, and also click on your affiliate link. And that affiliate link, once our prospects get to that affiliate link, the affiliate link is going to do all the selling and telling for us. So if you guys actually just want to come in and just promote the My Lead Gen Secret itself, and no other offers or programs, okay, you can literally come into here to the affiliates tab, click on promo tools, come down here. There's going to be 10 pre-written email guides for you guys to send out. Okay. And you guys can send these out. Just keep sending them out over and over and over again. And you will see results. Okay. I've used these same emails. I've used them and they work like crazy. Okay. So all you have to do, I'm just going to show you an example on how to send one out. Just click on import affiliate email into the system. What that does, it takes you to the mailing system to where you can send this email out. Click select the last emails, okay, that you can send out. Okay, and what it does, it automatically loads a subject line for you, and then also it loads the body of text, so you don't really have to do anything. Now you can come in here and rearrange some of these words, but this email is already designed to make you the most money. Okay, so you click on perfect timing, and then come down here. As you can see, our affiliate link is right here. All we got to do is click on send. This email is going to go out to thousands of people. Okay, and then our subscribers are going to click on this link. It's going to take them to our landing page. Our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. All we have to do is get them there. Our landing page does the rest. Okay. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system, okay, promoting My Legion Secret. Now, right here, guys, you're going to be able to send out an email every 24 hours with the system. So that's the cool thing about My Legion Secret, why I love them so much, is because I can come in every single day and get in front of thousands of people every single day with my offer, guys. That is just awesome. Okay. So that's how you make money with the mailing system. Okay, if you want to just promote the mailing system. The other way that you're going to make money is from a affiliate network, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus. There's places like JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures, CPA Revenue. There's tons of different CPA offers that you guys can go use, sign up for free, and you can use some of those business opportunity offers to create emails around, and you can send them to this traffic. Okay. Now, in the beginning of this video, I did tell you guys we are using a place called ClickBank for this method. And I'm using ClickBank because what I've noticed in my research of 3 years of me doing this, the My Legion Secret, not My Legion Secret, but the ClickBank offers do respond the best. Okay. In my opinion. Okay. They work really well, okay, to this traffic. So that's why we are using this, using that platform for this video series. Okay. So if you guys go to clickbank.com, get signed up there. It's free to get started. It probably takes you about 5 minutes to get your account started. They have in the marketplace is where you're going to see all the offers, and they're going to have different niches. Okay. The niche that this traffic is pretty much surrounded by is business opportunity offers. Okay. Business opportunity leads. Okay. These people on the My Legion Secret, guys, these people care about making money online and they want to learn how to do it. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to go find the right offer in the right section on ClickBank. Okay. And there's a section called e-business and e-marketing niche in the marketplace with ClickBank. So there's about 4 different offers that you can go to, and you can pick out one of those offers and you can use one of those offers to copy and paste their emails over to the system. Okay. That's how you're going to make money with any one of those networks is by becoming an affiliate for one of those offers. Okay. So that's going to be the 2 popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Now, there's going to be 3 ways to send out an email in the system. Number one, creating an email using your affiliate link. Okay. You can, if you're good at ad copy, just create your own email, insert your link, and then click send. You're off to the races. Number 2 is using some kind of email AI service or chat GPT. You can literally go to those places, tell the system to create you a email based on the offer that you are promoting. Okay. Number 3 is using the pre-written email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. So when you go to ClickBank and you pick out one of those offers, they already give you 20 pre-written email swipes that convert. Okay. So those email swipes convert really well, guys. So I would recommend using those email swipes first. Okay. Now, once you use those for a couple months, what you could do is repurpose those emails with AI and have AI remake some of those emails for you and just write them in a different context. Okay. That works really well as well. Okay. It works for me, and it's working for me every single day. Okay. Like I said, I come in every day, guys, around this time, usually before midnight. It's 11:51 now. So anytime before midnight, anytime from 9 to midnight is when I'm sending out my emails. Okay. Which just works best for me. I like sending them out at night. Okay. I got other stuff that I do during the day, make online stuff that I do. I do paid advertising, guys. I do YouTube stuff. I do a lot of different things online to earn income. So I just wanted to show you guys. This is probably the one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money is because you only got to spend 5-10 minutes sending out emails. Okay, you send these emails out, you're done for the day. Okay, and then you can come in the next day around the same time and you can send out a different email. Okay, so that's what I would recommend you doing, guys. What one of those emails will look like if you go to clickbank.com. It's going to look something like this. You can grab one of those offers. It's going to already give you a subject line. It's going to give you a body of text to use. And then also going to give you a clickable link that you can you can turn a sentence into a clickable link. And once our prospect clicks on this link, it's going to take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. telling our customer how they can get started working, how they can start making money in the income potential. Our prospect will then get started, sign up, subscribe. And the cool thing about this offer, excuse me, these offers that we are promoting on ClickBank, once our prospect signs up and they get into the funnel of the offer that we're promoting, that funnel is going to follow up with that customer, until they decide to sign up. So we already have there's a pre email funnel that's set up inside of the program when our prospect decides to sign up and start working. So that's just another cool thing. You don't actually have to go out and build a funnel or anything. This landing page that they give you, that the ClickBank gives you, it already has a pre-built funnel inside of it that does all the selling and telling for you and following up with the customer and all that until they actually decide to sign up. Okay, because sometimes with some of these offers, these people don't just sign up right away. Okay, guys, it does take them, a few days, maybe a week. I did some research. It does take someone at least 7 to 30 days to see something over and over and over again to actually take action and start purchasing. Okay. Now, some people, excuse me. So some people do buy right away. Okay. But most people buy within, 7 days or 30 days. Okay. Of them seeing an offer over and over and over again. Okay. So that's what I mean by coming in every single day, just staying committed to this thing and sending out these emails every single day. Okay. But that's how you do it, guys. Those are the ways that you send out an email in the mailing system. I'm gonna take you guys over here to ClickBank. Okay, clickbank.com. This is one of my back offices on one of my ClickBank accounts. I do have multiple accounts. This account that I did create just for you guys, just for this video series. That way I can show you from scratch on how guys can start making money with this. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every Friday. Okay. So every Friday, you can get paid direct deposit or check, however you want to get paid. They have a few different ways to get paid. Me, I like doing direct deposit because I can hook my account up and then it just comes right to my account every Friday. Okay. So this is what it looks like, guys. Today is the 21st of October. As you can see down here is the 21st of October. If you come down here, this is what I like doing is the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm. Because, just showing you daily results. Okay, I could do that. I've done that in the beginning, but now I'm doing a 30-day spread so you can see what it looks like when you get in certain months. Okay, right now we're in month number 5. At the end of month number 5, heading into the month number 6. So I just wanted to show you guys the algorithm and what it looks like. Okay. So as you can see, this is the past 30-day chart. Okay. There's some days that we did not get a sale. Okay. But then we got a sale right here. We may miss a date where we didn't get a sale, but then we got 4 sales back to back. Okay. 4 days in a row. Okay. Missed a day, got another 4 sales in a row. Okay, so you can kind of see the algorithm. It's kind of hit and miss. Okay, but for the most part, we're hitting. Okay, we're earning income with the system. We missed a couple days right here, but as you can see, we're getting back to back, miss a day, back to back, miss a day, back to back. We skipped 2 days, back to back sales. We missed a day yesterday, and then we got a sale today. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like in month number 5. This is kind of, typical, kind of normal, okay, for someone who's in the months number 3 to 5. This is kind of basically going to be the algorithm that you're going to be around, okay, and this is going to determine how many accounts that you have. So if you have anywhere from 3 to 5 accounts, you can see some of these, like these results like this, okay. So I just wanted to show you guys this is just extra income that you can make every single Friday. Every single Friday I'm getting paid, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay. Take a little drink here. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So click on this MLGS True Freedom link. Click on that. It's going to take you to the landing page of the My Legion Secrets. Go ahead and check it out, guys. If you come down here, you're just going to see, results. Okay. These are testimonials, screenshots from people making money with the system. Okay. If you come down here, as you can see, I'm not the only one making money with this thing. Okay. There's other people doing it. Oh, excuse me. There's other people earning income with this system. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So go ahead and click on this, join MLGS now. Pay your $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. You're going to get thousands of people every single month. I would recommend getting signed up today. Sign up underneath my link today. I got some bonus emails that I have for you guys that I'm not sharing with anyone else. Only with people that join under me are going to get these emails. Okay. Now, if you don't join, you don't decide to join or join, ain't no biggie. I'm still going to keep sending out emails and getting paid every single Friday. But if you guys want to learn more and you guys kind of want to follow my steps and kind of do what I'm doing here, earn the income that I'm making right now, click on the join MLGS now. Okay. And go ahead and get started today. Okay. So I'm just going to end this video on that note. I just wanted to show you guys how to do stuff. Okay. How easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system and how you can get started. And then I just wanted to show you some results, daily results on what we're doing last 30 days. You know, you can see the daily results here as well. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.